everyone, this is Akriti Khosla, counseling psychologist, Mandala Art Therapy practitioner, EFT practitioner. I'm an official mental health professional from the program Suno. So, as we can all see that people are actually dealing with a lot of issues in this pandemic situation. This quarantine time has been a roller coaster ride for all of us, and a lot of stress, fear, phobia, anxiety, a lot of issues are coming up right now. So, and most importantly, people are not able to deal with their relationships because there are a lot of conflicts in their relationships due to frustration, stress, not able to cope up with things, and not able to accept things as they are. So, I would like to discuss how to manage relationships in this quarantine period. So, first of all, I would ask you to just be gentle with your partner. Gentle means show kindness. As you all know, they have been facing a lot of stress from both the sides. Both the partners are being in stress and a lot of frustration, though they are not able to go out anywhere. So just be gentle and show some kindness. Ignore the arguments, ignore the small things, small mistakes that you have been committing or your partner has been committing. Just ignore that and show some love, care, and kindness to each other because right now this can overcome your stress. Secondly, spend time together or just being alone. Like together, you have your full day right now. You have this time to spend with each other because you will not get this time again. As we are taking it negatively because, of course, of the COVID-19, the situation is negative and fearful as well. But for your family, friends, and partner, it is also positive because you've never got such time to spend with each other, like the whole day. So it's a golden opportunity to spend some time with your loved one. So being like involved in your work from home, your office work or your household work, you can give your partner time and spend some important golden time with the partner. Share their issues, share a lot of things with them that you've never done before, maybe. So it is a golden time for you to spend time with each other. Thirdly, get better at stuff. Get better at stuff means you're already good at. You think you are actually good at, just improvise it a little. Like sketching, art, dance, music, whatever you feel interested in, just get better and make your partner better too. Do together, do things together. A lot of things which you've never done before, do that because that is the first thing which would help you to strengthen your relationship more and more and more. And that is a positive thing right now. Really, trust me, you will gain a lot of happiness out of it. So just get yourself better and better and better so that managing your relationship and getting positivity into it would take your relationship to another level. Trust me. Fourthly, stay active. Active means physically active. Go for workouts, walk, yoga, meditation. You know, when you are physically fit, you automatically mentally fit because physical activeness makes your mind stress free and a lot of active, and you will feel more energetic than before. So both the partners, if you do it together, you will spend a lot of time doing it together, and plus staying active, staying healthy together makes you happy, more and more happy, trust me. So go for workouts, go for a walk, like obviously in your premises, though we are not allowed to go out right now. So do workouts, watch videos of workouts, different workouts, try new workouts, try new things. So that would make you a happy person. Next is you can just try new things, like you can play games, you can revive your childhood memories, and you can talk about things that you have never discussed that before. Even if you were in a relationship before getting married, even if you are in a first stage of your relationship, so you can just talk about your childhood memories, or maybe a lot of new things that would make you interest in the other person, and of course that would strengthen your relationship in every possible way. So do this, try new topics, and watch videos, watch Netflix, watch new series, movies, discuss about it. So trust me, there are a lot of things to talk about. And lastly, I would like to say, just stay calm and have a peaceful time right now, because right now you have your partner with you, you have the only person with you to share everything. If the conflicts occur with you, in between you both, then resolve it then and there. Try to do that. Just handle with care and love. Everything will be fine and everything will be great. Your relationship will go on hike. You will take it to another level, and trust me, you will lead a happy and a positive life for sure. I hope all the tips are really helpful and you will think about it deeply and follow it, as I said. Thank you so much for your time, and hope to stay connected, stay safe, spread love.